Hi everyone, welcome to our Derm Flash training. My name is Tracy Italiano. It's a pleasure to be with you today. For the month of November, our focus is going to be all about anti-aging and a specific focus on wrinkles and how they form. So at Derme&Co, we have some tried and true proven active ingredients such as vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and peptides found throughout all of our lines to really help to address aging as a skin condition that we see quite often within the spa. So as we look at aging, we have to admit that we really do start aging very young, and in our 20s would be the perfect time to start to incorporate some proven ways to prevent some of the visible signs of aging. So as a general overview today, we thought it would be nice to take you through different ages and what products and ingredients would be ideal depending on age groups. So in our 20s, as I was mentioning, the importance of wearing a sunscreen and integrating some vitamin C along with regular weekly exfoliation can be an amazing way to really keep fine lines and wrinkles at bay. As we start getting into our 30s, we do start to see even more dehydration starting to present itself, and along with that transepidermal water loss, we can really see a lot of fine lines developing. So to introduce within our 30s, along with the great base of vitamin C and sunscreen that we started with in our 20s, this would be a great time to incorporate products that contain hyaluronic acid. Its amazing water binding ability and the ability to plump fine lines and wrinkles on the surface and to rejuvenate the skin in depth is really, it creates a go-to active ingredient to counteract that dehydration within our 30s. We can also see some hyperpigmentation starting to set in depending on sun exposure and genetics. And of course, this is where the following up with a good vitamin C program can actively lighten those epidermal pigmentation stains as well. As we progress into our 40s, this is where we start to see the impacts of hormone decline and the impact of volume loss within the skin. We'll start to see that the little dehydration lines that we had within our 30s start to get deeper and more permanent. And we can also see the onset of expression lines developing and worsening as time goes on. Within our 40s and towards late 40s, we also start to see the impact of hormone decline and its impact in the volume of our skin. So within our 40s, this is where we have the wonderful pentapeptides and lipopeptides that are ideal to help to rejuvenate these proteins found within the skin and also to provide really long-lasting hydration. And that should be continued on well into our 50s and 60s, and of course incorporating some great exfoliation treatments on an ongoing basis, regular facials, and of course technology. So one of the best ways to treat fine lines and wrinkles from a clinical perspective is in offering photorejuvenation and radiofrequency technology, both which are gold standards for the stimulation of new collagen and elastin. Plus, we find that with IPL after 40, we can also address redness, hyperpigmentation, and fine lines and wrinkles all in one beautiful and easy step. So these key actives between our vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and pentapeptides can be found throughout all of our brands as they are go-to active ingredients proven to treat the symptoms of anti-aging. You'll be able to find versions of those ingredients within Nelly Diverse Bioscience, Nelly Diverse Biotops, Derme&Co, and even our private label line, specifically in the Ultra Lift Serum and the Ultra Lift Cream. So from there, I hope that this overview of different ingredients and different approaches, depending on any age and any skin condition, we could really see today we have such incredible power in our hands to address these conditions and to really help to improve the visible condition of the skin. So throughout the month of November at Derme&Co, we also have some wonderful promotions planned for you, something special, top secret for before Black Friday. But in the meantime, we've launched our holiday kits within bioscience, biotox, biofem, and bioacne. And these kits offer 25% reduction and are everything that your skin needs to get you glowing for the holiday season that's upcoming. So if you have any questions, or if you want to plan specific training to better understand the different anti-aging treatments and products that we have available, please don't hesitate to give us a call. You can contact your customer service representative, and we'll be so happy to answer any questions that you have regarding aging and to set up some additional training for you right before the busy holiday season. So thank you so much for spending time with us today, and we'll look forward to seeing you in December for another session and introduce you to everything that we have planned for you for the month of December. So thanks again for spending time with us today, and we hope you have a wonderful November. Looking forward to seeing you again soon.